Hello, parents. Hello, students. I hope you all are doing good and I hope you are managing well, you are coping well in this particular situation. Today, I'm here. Today, I'm back again with this particular topic managing yourself and COVID 19 stress. And I'm really, really glad to be in touch with you through this particular medium. So, my name is Randhir Yadav. I'm the school counselor at Apex Public School. So, today I'm going to share some tips that how you can manage your COVID 19 stress and how you can manage yourself through this pandemic. So, without any further delay, let's start. So, the very most important thing is, yeah, take a break from the news. Information overload, it can be overwhelming and it can be upsetting. So if you get time, take a break, just skip the news channel or just skip the social media wherever you're getting the news, because yeah, it's going to create a huge stress within yourself. So take a time, relax down, and just forget about the news. After that, what else you can do is you can take care of your own body. So this entire pandemic, or the day when it started, let's go back like 2 years back or 1.5 years back, yeah, 15 to 18 months, yeah. So we all were managing everything nicely. We all were going through our day-to-day life in a very smooth way. And suddenly this particular pandemic came and we started panicking. So the most important thing which we forgot was taking deep breaths and meditating, right? So what you can do is meditation. You can have your balanced meal. So it's very necessary. These particular things are really necessary for your body. So as you take care of your body, as you keep continuous management of taking care of your body, slowly and slowly are going to lower down the stress. Apart from that, what else you can do is we all are taking the safety precautions, right? We all are wearing masks, we are following the social distancing, and we are using the sanitizer to sanitize our hands all the time. But apart from that, what we can do is we can take certain steps, like we can have exercise also, we can connect to nature, like ठीक है अभी हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, but still what we can do, we can go to the terrace. You can see the weather out there is really really pleasant, and it's not that hot in Delhi right now. So yes, what you can do is you can just go and connect to your surrounding also. If you have a balcony, you can switch your day-to-day time in your balcony. You can go in your balcony and enjoy the moment. So these are the things which will be easy, which will be necessary uh, for the body, for your body. It's really necessary, and it can help you to take care of your body, right? Apart from that, what else you can do is, yeah. So in the entire day, what you can actually do is take out some time for your favorite activity which you like to do. It can be anything: playing chess. It can be playing Ludo. That not that on mobile. Just avoid that mobile game and try to get that Ludo board, complete physical Ludo board, and you can play with your family members. You can play with your childrens. And what else you can do is take out some time for your activities which you really love to do. It can be diary writing, it can be reading, it can be painting. Okay? And this is really important for those parents who are working right now, who are working from home, and they're entirely they are working for 17 to 18 hours, जो लंबे समय तक काम कर रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट घर पे जो मदर्स हैं जो पूरे टाइम पूरी चीजों को मैनेज कर रहे हैं, so you can take out a short break and do your favorite activity, and you can enjoy your time in that particular way. Okay, so next we have, okay, that's really important. That's really important. Connecting with others. Okay, इस पर्टिकुलर पेंडेमिक में हमने इतने लोगों से कनेक्ट किया होगा. इनफैक्ट मैं अगर इफ शेयरिंग माय ओन एक्सपीरियंस, आई कनेक्टेड टू माय चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड्स. So I was really enjoying that time. So call your loved ones, call your old friends, and call your relatives. Talk to them, connect with them, because this is going to help you manage your stress. The all agenda, the all point of this particular managing the stress is you have to connect with your friends or anyone. It can be anyone, your relatives, your friends, your office mates. So this is how you can manage your friend. This is how you can manage your stress. And जितना आप connect करोगे, it's not necessary कि daily basis पे बात करना है, because again it will be an overwhelming response for you. So what you can do is at least twice in a week or 4 or 5 times in a month. So this is what you can do to manage your stress. Okay. Now, another important task, which is that you have to take care of your own self as well as of your loved ones. So what you can do in this particular scenario, uh, आप अपने लिए तो सारी नेसेसरी गाइडलाइंस और सारी चीज़ों को आपको पता है, आप सारी चीज़ें फॉलो कर रहे हो, ठीक है। और आपके फैमिली में अगर कोई बड़े लोग हैं जो जिनका आपको ध्यान रखना है, तो आप उनका भी ध्यान रखो, उनके उनको देखो कि अच्छा रियल रिस्क उनके लिए क्या क्या रिस्क हैं। गो एंड चेक ऑन देम ऑल द टाइम, दैट ओके एटलीस्ट आफ्टर 2 hours, and see that how you can protect your own self, and how you can protect the others also in the family. So that's really important, because it will not just lower down your own stress, but it will lower down their that particular person's stress also. So for example, ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपने आपने सारा प्रिकॉशन लिया है, आपने सब चीजें अपने लिए कर रहे हो, but meanwhile if you go and take care of someone in your family who is old enough, who is not able to take care of himself or herself, so it will really help them to lower down their stress also. Okay. The next what we can do is plan and prepare. Okay. So I would say that be in touch, be in touch with the information. ठीक है। आप ठीक है, आप लोग को पूरे टाइम न्यूज नहीं देखना है, दैट्स नॉट व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग यू टू डू. What I'm really asking you to do is get the recent information. Okay, get the correct information about the COVID-19 virus, and plan accordingly, that what other things can be done for the future. Now, as you all know that very soon the third wave is going to hit our country, or maybe it has entered the country or the world. It has definitely entered in the world. It's there. There's no doubt in it. But there's researchers are still doing this research that yeah, it will be soon. Soon India is going to come across the third wave. So what you can do is you can prepare all your things in advance and keep it for yourself. It can be anything. आपने अपना कोई designated room बना दिया है जहाँ पर जहाँ पे कोई जब बीमार है तो उसको वहीं पे रखना है. So you have been through all those things. हम सब इन सारी चीजों से गुजर चुके हैं, हम वो गलतियां नहीं रिपीट करेंगे. सो अपने स्ट्रेस को उस समय लोअर डाउन करने के लिए हम ये एक चीज कर सकते हैं कि अभी से हम पहले प्रिपेयर करके चले. ठीक है. वी शुड हैव एटलीस्ट 10 to 15 to 30 मेंबर्स के नंबर जो ऑन द स्पॉट आपको हेल्प करने के लिए रेडी रहेंगे, या फिर हॉस्पिटल से कांटेक्ट करना. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू थिंक अभी से कि अच्छा ठीक है, दिस विल हैपन टू माई सेल्फ और दिस विल हैपन टू मी, बट या वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर आवर सेल्फ. Okay, so keep the plan, keep the preparation, and yes, you're good to go. And slowly you'll see that आपका stress level उस level पे नहीं रहेगा जैसे पहले था. Now, if we recall 2019 में जब ये फर्स्ट टाइम हिट हुआ था पेंडेमिक इस पर्टिकुलर कंट्री को 2020 में या मार्च. So उस समय we all were panicked, and we all were going through several stress, that what will happen, how it will happen. सो अभी अगर मैं कंपेयर करूंगा उस टाइम से और इस टाइम में, तो वी ऑल नो दैट व्हाट आर द थिंग्स व्हिच शुड बी डन एंड हाउ इट हैज टू बी डन. सो अगेन आई विल शेयर द सेम थिंग, आई विल से द सेम थिंग, दैट जितना इंफॉर्मेशन आप लोग को मिल सकता है आप इंफॉर्मेशन लीजिए जो करेक्ट सोर्स से आप लोग को मिलता है. लाइक इन इंडिया आईसीएमआर इज गिविंग द राइट गाइडलाइंस एंड व्हाट हैज टू बी डन. WHO you can follow, and I would request the students to go through the WHO website and watch videos and educate and pass on the message to your friends, your family, and your relatives. Right? Next, we have take everyday preventive action. That's really important. You all know the preventive actions are wash your hands frequently, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Let family members who are sick or have underlying issues stay at home, away from the office, school, or crowded places. So these are the preventive actions for every day. Okay. Next, we have cover your cough or sneeze. That's a basic thing which you have to do. It does not need to be uh, mentioned all the time. We all know that, but yeah, still we can see that most of us we are not doing that. There's no social distancing after the lockdown. So yes, you can educate yourself, you can educate your family members, and this is how you can lower down the stress. Then clean your surroundings, clean the surfaces or the objects which you have touched. Okay, stay indoors as much as you can, and always wear a face mask while you go out. Okay. Next, we have stay in touch. That is like, yeah, be connected to your family members, be connected to the local authorities in your area, be connected to your school, be connected to your locality where you can share where you can get the information, from where you can get the information, and be connected with your family and friends who have chronic medical conditions. जिनको ऑलरेडी कोई मेडिकल कंडीशन है, आप उनसे ज्यादा कनेक्टेड रहो, उनके साथ ज्यादा टच में रहो, सो दैट लेस दे फील द स्ट्रेस ऑन ए वेरी लो लेवल. ओके, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट कि स्ट्रेस नहीं होगा, स्ट्रेस सबको होता है, बट सिवियरिटी डिपेंड करेगा. ठीक है. Now, what else you can do is take care of your household's emotional health. And as you all know that adults and children, everyone is going through this stressful situation, and uh, children might respond in a different and might respond to this situation in a different way. So talk to your children. Basically, this point is for the parents, I would say. Talk to your children, communicate with them on day-to-day basis. At least answer their 15 to 20 questions which they have everyday basis. Okay, so it's going to build up the relationship, and it's going to help you connect with your child more, and yeah, definitely are going to manage the stress of your child. So give them voice, let them speak about their fears and worries, and what you can do is once they speak, they will be more confident enough, the anxiety will lower down, and you can answer all the questions one by one and make them feel comfortable. And yes, one more thing what you can do is meditation is really proven to be a good technique. So do meditation सबके साथ, सब लोग बैठो फैमिली में, help your child to meditate properly, and help your child to understand what exactly meditation is. Even you are supposed to do this. Is for the parents. Even you are supposed to do the meditation so that the child will follow you. So this is how you're going to take care of your emotional health as well as your family's emotional health. Okay, so this is the the last point, or last but not the least. Yeah. So the situation may be overwhelming, but coping with stress will make you, the people you care about, and your community stronger. We all know that this situation is really overwhelming. बहुत ही I can't explain in words the situation we are going through right now, and there are more things going to come. But yeah, how we can cope up with the stress? By taking care of our own self, by taking care of our people we love, and by taking care of our community and making a strong community, by making a stronger community out there to help each and everyone, right? So these are the few steps which you can inculcate in your day-to-day basis, and this will help you to manage your stress. I'll be coming up with some other videos on which I will be sharing meditation techniques, or why your sleep is really important. There are certain videos lined up. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, Apex TV, and if please share to your family members, please share it with your cousins or anywhere. Just pass out this message, I know this message is really important for everyone. So share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment. Yeah. So thank you very much. We'll meet next time again. I'll be coming up with a different video. Stay tuned. Bye. Take care.